Hi, Shannon Coward here with Tameron Hyundai. You inquired about the Tucson. We've got several on the lot to choose from, but this is certainly going to give you a brief overview, so let's get right to it. As you come down, you're going to notice the very sporty alloy wheels. When you come through the back, there's ample room for 3 passengers. Now up on the steering wheel, for safety and convenience, you've got your radio controls, Bluetooth, I pair your phone before you drive off the lot, cruise control. You've got a button here that actually toggles through your back display, keeping everything at your fingertips. Now this particular vehicle has backup camera, CD player, AM, FM, XM satellite radio is free for 90 days. Auxiliary, iPod, USB, hey, it gives you every avenue to listen to your music. But I want to tell you the best thing of it all. That is the America's Best warranty. You have a 10-year, 100,000 mile on the powertrain. If that's not good enough, Tameron, the dealership, adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. My name is Shannon Coward. I'm your personal sales associate assigned just to you. The number here at the dealership is 205-380-6250. You may reach me on my cell at 205-907-4700. At Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you're treated. I look forward to meeting with you and working with you very soon. Thank you.